Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today we will be unboxing this USB condenser microphone from Fifine. Okay, so for today's video guys, we will be unboxing this USB microphone from Fifine. So this is the latest microphone from them. This model is specifically the K683a. Okay, so if you are an aspiring YouTuber or you're already making your own YouTube videos and you're looking for a USB condenser microphone, check this video out and let's see if ito ba yung pinaka best budget microphone. Okay, so special thanks to M1PH for sending this in. So they are the official distributor of these Fifine microphones. So you can check yung IG nila. I will put it in the description below. Since meron pang iba't ibang klase ng Fifine microphones. Okay, so we will be unboxing this and we will perform some testing. Okay, so dumating na yung package and ito na yung content ng package. So first, may letter from M1. So, it says here, M1, your lifetime partner. So, sila raw yung official distributor ni Fifine. And then, on the back yon, may letter lang. So, thank you, M1 family. Okay. So, here is the box. So, as you can see, it says here, Fifine. So, understand your voice better in studio quality articulation and intelligibility. And then says here monitoring, since you can use your headphones to monitor the sound or yung audio. Then there's volume, you can adjust the volume, and then there's mute button or yung switch. And then nandito yung itsura ng mismong microphone with the stand and then yung smiley face na kasama dun sa logo nila. And that's about it. Nothing else on the box. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, opening it. Wow, fine. Ta-da. Okay, so first, user guide or yung manual. So nakalagay dito, this is the K683a, which is the newest microphone model from Fifine. So yan, here's the instructions and the manuals. Opening it lang. Oh. Nothing else. So, first is the cord or the cable connecting to the mic to USB-C or USB-A. So, good thing about this new model, detachable na yung cable. Yung before kasi, nakakabit talaga siya. So, if ever nasira yung cable mo, that's gonna be a problem. Pero in this case, at least, pwede mong palitan yung cable. So, ang ganda rin kasi meron na siyang Fifine na cable management strap. Okay. So, moving on. Here is the stand. So, the small tripod. And then lastly, yung cover. So it's a good quality plastic. And then the microphone itself. Okay, so here are the contents. So yung mic. Cover, cable, the manual, and the tripod. So that's it. Looking at the bike, mabigat siya and maganda yung quality niya. And feels premium actually. So ito yung connector. And then ito yung slot for the cable. And then yung for the audio jack if you want to listen to it. eto na siya guys. Yung voice ko, gamit ko na rin yung Fifine K683a. So, magpapalit ako from time to time using my previous mic na Boya By M1. And then, with this one, with the Fifine K683a. So, comment down below ano mas sa tingin nyong mas okay. So, I am transferring to the By M1. Okay, so si Fifine K683a. So, it is a USB-C mic with a pop filter. So, yung pop filter niya is parang C-shape na. And then, meron na rin siyang mute button and then adjustable volume ng gain. It also has the 3.5mm jack at the back para if gusto mong marinig yung voice mo while recording. Okay, so we are now transferring back to the Fifine K683a. Okay, so as I've said earlier, M1PH is the official distributor of Fifine microphones. So if you want to buy this specific microphone or any other Fifine microphones, check out M1PH. So if you are an aspiring YouTuber or if you are already doing YouTube videos and you want to upgrade your microphone, I think this is the best option right now. So the price is very affordable and at the same time with the quality of sound it produces, so sobrang okay niya. So for first time YouTubers, existing YouTubers like me, I think this is a good buy. Actually, hindi mo lang naman siya magagamit if you are a YouTuber. Actually, pwede mo rin siyang magamit for Zoom meetings or any video conferencing na for work. So, tinry ko siya while doing a meeting and okay naman daw yung sound output niya and maganda and malakas din at the same time. If you are like me, doing YouTube videos and at the same time, yung day job nyo, kailangan nyo ng microphone. I think 2-in-1 siya. If you are not a YouTuber naman and then you are looking for a USB condenser microphone or USB mic, this is also perfect for you, especially for online class. Also, yun nga, for work-related video conferencing. So, okay yung microphone na to. So, ang maganda pa dito kay Fifine, sobrang plug and play niya. So, saksak mo lang yung USB, then that's it. Pwede mo siyang gamitin. Unlike any other microphones na kailangan mo pa ng DAC para magana siya. Perfect to for beginners, lalo na wala kang alam sa audio. So like me, actually ngayon lang ako naka-try ng microphones talaga kasi ngayon gamit ko Lav Mic lang. Okay, so again, huge thanks to M1PH for sending this one to me. I appreciate your letter. And if you're looking for Fifine microphones, check out M1PH. If hindi nyo pa napanood yung previous video ko which I unboxed the M1 iPad Pro, you can watch it here. And nabanggit ko rin doon na magkakaroon tayo ng giveaway. So dahil road to 1K na tayo, magkakaroon ako ng giveaway. Pero hindi ko pa siya ma-announce here on this video. Kasi mag-upload ako ng separate video for that one. Doon ko sasabihin yung mechanics and kung ano yung i-giveaway natin. So please, if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel and follow also my Instagram account. Kasi ipopost ko rin doon yung mechanics ng giveaway. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So ganito lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.